Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, or all of this is free. Subscribe, like is free. Go ahead and do that. Below the video you will find some links. It says Soon Like a Pro. So click on this link, come to this page right here, and check out these recent trades and setups. Everything is in the video format. You can check how do I take these setups, and then you can join this program if you want to enter and exit with me. So join Soon Like a Pro. You can always book consultation if you want to speak to me one-to-one, and you can always join my free Telegram. So let's get back to the chart and start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMA, as you can see. Weekly we are above the EMA. Daily we are slightly above the EMA. So coming back to 4 hour, we are definitely above the EMA. So weekly and 4 hour two time frames are clearly above the EMI, so that makes us go long. So the trend is up and look for longs after each pullback. Okay, so 4 hour plus weekly both are saying trend is up. Daily is also slightly up, but as per definition, look for longs after each pullback in 4 hour. Okay, however, very important thing. Well, what is that? Why would I tell you for free? But I'll tell you for free in this video. Analysis is one thing, entry and exit is different. Don't take entries based on any analysis. You watch my videos, you watch somebody else's videos, free analysis. These are not entry and exit. Do you understand? I make these analysis, but my entry is totally based on different factors. Do you have any idea? Yes, I do make these analysis. Trend is up, look for longs. Everybody's doing that. But my entry is based on different controversies, which nobody tells in public for free. Okay? So yes, watch the analysis, subscribe, like and share, everything is fine. But if you want to enter and exit with me, if you want my precise entries, then go and join this program. Subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.